What's up, Ayo fam? Welcome back to the episode of Ayo fam. Today we at the Bear Pond in Missouri. We're doing a $20 fishing challenge. Got me a rod for $10. Got me some worms for $5. Hooks for $1. Bobber for $1. Spent $18 total. Let's get this video, and I'll see you guys when I get rigged up.
Love dub dub.
Alright, you guys, so this is the setup. We got a size 2 hook. We have a live worm. We're gonna throw a bobber. Another one like right here. I'm just gonna toss it out. Guys, always pick up your trash too when you're fishing or when you're out shooting, man, because you don't want to mess up your area. And this is common courtesy to the other people that's out here fishing and try to enjoy the environment too, man. Alright, so there we go. There's a size 2 hook, live worm, bobber, store it up. Guys. Right here is a little bluegill. Like he's mixed with a sunfish. Got him perfectly in the side of the mouth. Let me get you guys a good look at him. It's a really small little guy, but at least we catching something, man. We'll get him back, try to get a couple more. A little bigger. So we got that guy right on the bottom lip. Crazy. And he's, oh, this guy's jacked up. Look at his mouth. My man's got a underbite. Something crazy. Look at this dude. Do you want those fishes? He looks slow there. I like this over there. I'm out here having fun, man. You do not need a lot to have fun. Let's get this guy back and let's get another one. And I still got my worm too, so. Alright guys, so we're just gonna leave it out there, let it sit for a minute, and let's see if we can pick up some off the bottom. So I really want to try to catch a catfish today, man. Even if it's like a baby cat, just at least want to try to catch a catfish. It'll be my first catfish of the year. Probably gonna need a bigger worm for that though. So if I don't catch it within the next like 2 minutes on this little small worm, I'm gonna cut that off and I'm gonna tie on a full-size worm and throw it out there on the bottom and let it sit and see if we can pick up something a little bigger than what we already got. Oh, we got some. Fat one, man. It's a green sunfish this time, not a bluegill. These little things have some really big mouths, so they compete with bass in the pond. It's not like you don't really want them in your pond if you're trying to build a really nice bass pond, but if you're trying to build a nice brim pond, this would be real nice. See, these guys get really fat But since I still have that worm on there, I'm gonna throw that back out for a little bit again, and we're just gonna see what we can catch on that worm until it's over. All right, guys, so I just put a whole worm on that hook. So let's just hope we get a catfish. My son just caught a bluegill off camera. I wish I would've got that on camera, but let's just hope we get this catfish, man. So I'll get back to you guys when my rod gets to moving. Okay, hold on, Walker. Look, come over here. He has a worm in his mouth. Yeah, this guy, I think he swallowed my hook. It's a pretty fat little green sunfish. Let's try to see if we can get, oh no, we can get it. There we go. He's bleeding a little bit, so let's try to hurry up and get him back in there.
Asia, those baby ducks. You want to go see the baby ducks? The fish? They'll be okay.
Oh, Walker, you got big bite. Come here. That bite. You got another fat green sunfish. You know these guys are big when they can get the whole worm in their mouth. That's crazy. That's why I say it's not good to have these if you're trying to build a really good bass pond, because they will take up all the food and they will eat baby bass. So gotta be careful what you put in your pond. Got a bite. Got it. Another big green sunfish. Hey. Dude, this is huge for a green sunfish. This is my PB green sunfish for sure. I got him in the freaking tongue, man. This is huge. Like, look at this compared to my hand, bro. This is an absolute giant of a green sunfish. Now, this is the size of a bass, man. That's crazy. Insane, guys. Guys, I might have to cut this line and let this guy go. All right, guys, we're gonna let this big guy go. He was bleeding a little bit, so I was a little bit worried about him, but he swam out perfectly, so that's good. Let's get another hook tied back on, though. Another worm, and let's get back out there and get back to it. I wasn't letting little buddy keep on taking my worms without catching at least once. Try to get this hook out. There we go. Got half a worm left. Got another fat one. Almost ripped that guy lip off, man. Alright, AO fam, man. I'm gonna wrap up this video with that. If you all like this video, man, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, man. Share this video also. If you all like more videos like this of me doing outdoor thing, because the AO stands for Anthony Outdoors. So I'm not just shooting, I'm doing a lot of outdoor things. So if you guys want to see more videos like this, and me showing you guys little tips and tricks with the fishing or with the shooting stuff, man, just let me know. I can get more personal with you guys and we can really take this channel to a next level. Like I was saying, man, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you all in the next one.
Wubba lubba dub dub.